In a business within the service industry, the utilization of the employee's time is vital for the success of the company. A non-billed hour is lost and can never be recovered. The key to profitability is the constant and systematic administration of projects, hours worked, and the billing of the hours. Standard ERP's job costing module provides a fully integrated solution for managing projects in various industries, such as advertising, media and printing houses, construction, architects and engineering companies, as well as lawyers, consulting, and other professional services. The job costing module in Standard ERP covers both project management and project accounting. Let's see how easy it is to manage the whole process, from quotation to the final invoicing stage. I have just received an email from this company approving the last quotation I have sent them. This customer is purchasing a concert organization services. Here is the quotation. Once it is confirmed, we can create a project from it. The description will give an understanding of what it is about. Selecting the class would allow me to report on the profitability of certain project types, like concerts. I'm also going to allocate the staff members that are actually going to work on this project. Besides, my customer agreed to give us a €4,000 deposit. I can raise the invoice directly from the project. An important part of project management is the project budget. I'm going to create it from the same quotation. As all related records are linked to each other, it is very easy to navigate within the system. As you can see, the system has filled in all details for me. Once project budget is created, I can now keep track by reporting on it against the actual figures. My project includes some services that will be provided by the subcontractor. So, I am going to raise a necessary purchase order. There are 5 hours of installation and 25 hours of tuning off the instruments. Now I just need to allocate this purchase order to the Project Jazz Festival concert and authorize it. I can also send it to the supplier by email directly from the Standard ERP. All project-related costs are captured in different Standard ERP modules such as expenses, purchases, deliveries, and timesheets. At any time I can run reports that would show me against what level of budget I had, how much cost has actually been committed to the project, what kind of cost I received supplier invoices for, and whether I have invoiced my client any of these costs. When we come to do the scheduling process, staff members can plan and book their time directly in the calendar. Let's log in as Alex. Based on the project deadlines and his workload, Alex can create calendar activity for the planned work. Activity type represents a specific job or task and could be used in many reports. Linking activities directly to the project will allocate time spent on the project. Alex can also set a reminder to be sure he won't miss it. Let's go back to the manager's account. The manager is able to look at the work of all the team. Any of these colored bars represent a task that needs to be done. I can double-click on it and see the underlying information. If I decide to assign this work to someone else, I can easily use drag and drop to reschedule. When the actual work is performed, it simply needs to be marked as done. This will automatically allocate time spent on the project. As a project manager, I am interested in how the project hours are working out against the budget. At any point, I can run the project status report for my project and see how this is coming along. I will run it in hourly quantity rather than in value. Looking at it, I can see there is one overrun here. That is on Sarah's time. I can drill into the underlying transaction record and make changes if needed. I know the customer very well, so I am sure he is not going to pay for 5 hours for an overrun. I will reduce the quantity that I am going to invoice. When it comes to invoicing, I can run the maintenance that would automatically create invoices for all projects or any selection. This time I will run it only for my orchestra concert project. That is all I need to do. As you can see, all project cost and income are automatically booked in the nominal ledger and it is instantly visible in a profit and loss report. With Standard ERP's fully integrated job costing module, you are in full control of delivering your projects on time and budget, making your customers happy, your workforce efficient, and your projects profitable. For more information, please contact your local Hansa World representative.